kids. Today we will write alphabets, okay? Now open your English textbook, kids. I hope you will be having this, no? Open this textbook. Yes, open this page. Yeah, this page. Oh, page number 9, right? Yes. Can you see here? Page number 9, we have written. We have to see first trace the letter and then write it, okay? You have to trace the letter and then write the letter, okay? What is this? Apple. A is for apple. Apple. How will you write A? See, we are having 4 lines over here, right? 2 pink lines and 2 blue lines. So from the top pink line, start a point here. Come to the left side, left slanting line. Again from this point to the right slanting line. See, you have to join this with the sleeping line. Yes, this is capital A. See, I used only 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. I didn't come down to the last pink line. Okay, kinda pink line ki raledu. I used only 3 lines, right? Now write. I have traced this letter. Now you write again one more A. Come to the left slanting line, right slanting line, and the middle you have to put a sleeping line. Capital A. A is for apple. Apple. A is for apple. And what is this picture, kids? Ant. We have written capital A. Now we'll write small a, okay? While you are writing small letter, you have to use only these 2 blue lines, okay? See. Put a left curve, right curve. This becomes a, small a, with a small curve over down. Small a. A is for apple. Apple. See, I have written in these 2 lines only. This is called line concept. You have to follow line concept, okay? You should not go up and down. You have to write like this. Now, B. Now, you have to write small b, right? You have to use only these 3 lines. Start from the pink line, come to the blue line, put a standing line, right? And now write curve. Small b. B is for ball. Ball. B is for ball. Right. Now write one more b. One more small b. Start from the pink line. Come down. Again you have to put right curve in this blue lines. Right. Small b. B is for ball. Right. Now this one. C. C is for cake. Cake. What is the sound of C? Right? Cake. How will you write C? Again I am using these 3 lines. 1, 2, 3, right? Yes. Put a left curve. Start from the pink line and put a left curve until you have to touch this blue line. You should not come down. You have to stop here only, okay? And now again repeat write one more time capital C. Start from the pink line with a right curve. K. C. Right? Now, what is this? Cat. Cat. Now you have to write small c. See, small letters you have to write in these 2 blue lines only, kids. So, small c. Again one more left curve. Small c. Write one more c. Yes, left curve. C. What is this? D. D is for drum. Drum. Right? Put a standing line from pink line to blue line. Put a right curve. A big right curve. Yes? Yes. D. D is for drum. Write one more D. Start from the pink line. Come to the blue line. Okay? And now put a right curve. Yes. D is for drum. Now what is this? Duck. Duck. Right? From pink line to blue line you have to put a standing line. And while writing small d you have to put left curve to this side. Okay? Not to this side. This side. Left curve. Small curve. D. D is for duck. Write one more D. Standing line. left curve. D is for duck. Okay. Now what is this? E. E is for elephant. Elephant. How will you write capital E? Start from the pink line to blue line. Yes. Slipping line, slipping line, slipping line. Very good. Now again put a standing line from pink line to blue line. Slipping line, slipping line, slipping line. Yes. Now this is egg. Egg. Small e. You have to write small e, right? Now in these two blue lines, first put left curve. In the middle you have to put a small sleeping line. E. See? Put a left curve, small sleeping line, join like this. E. Small e. Now this one. F. 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 What is the sound of F? F. F sound, right? Put a standing line from pink line to blue line. Put a sleeping line. One more small sleeping line. Yes. Write one more F. Standing line. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. Yes. Now what is this? Frog. 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 Put a standing line. Put a down curve, little small curve over here on the top, just like a small tilt. And in the middle, sleeping line. See, I have used only these three lines. I didn't come down. Put a standing line, up curve, small, little bit, just like tilt. Sleeping line. Okay, kids? Now you have to write this page and send it to me. Okay? Write the alphabets from A to F and send it to me back. Okay? I'll be waiting for your work. Okay? Bye, kids.